With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is statement 1. Primary structure of protein is determined by amino acid sequence. Statement 2. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding between carbonyl group and NH group is responsible for the folding of polypeptide chain. Now, in the given question, the statement first says that primary structure, yes, this statement is true. The primary structure of peptide chain or the polypeptide chain determines sequence of amino acids. What sequence of amino acid? Actually, there is a presence of alkyl chain or alkyl part in all amino acids like this. There is a presence of alkyl part in all amino acids, and this alkyl part is different in all amino acids. So there is a particular sequence of these alkyl part, and it changes, due to which the structure also changes. And the second statement says that there is a presence of hydrogen bonding between the carbonyl group and the NH group. There is a hydrogen bonding between them, and this hydrogen bonding makes the folding stable, and it helps to form the secondary, the tertiary, and the quaternary structures of protein. Along with it, disulfide linkage and other bonds of electrostatic attraction are also present, but this is the major force which is present between oxygen and hydrogen. So both statements are true, but there is no relation between them. Hence, the correct option is the second option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.